Hi friends, this is Iris. Welcome to Ima's channel. So today I'm going to introduce our high-tech products to you. But first, please allow me to introduce our company briefly. This is Zhuhai Kaihao Electronic Corporation, specializing in vacuum cleaner. If you are interested in our products, please contact us. We are very welcome your inquiry. Okay, let's move on to our products. This is our new high-tech product. We call it S5-VTB. So V here is related to the visual navigation. Here you can see we have a camera here. This camera is used for like an eyes here. You can look around your whole house and recognize the environment of your whole house, which means this level has more high-level cleaning performers will have a very precise precision. And here T is related to the touch glass panel. You can see we have 3 buttons here. The first, this button is used for the Wi-Fi signal. Our robot can connect with the smartphone, and you also can connect with the Google Home and Alexa. The second one is the turn on and turn off button. The third one is the auto recharge button. So when the robot, the capacity of the battery is less than 20%, the robot will recharge itself automatically. So here, let's remove on the dust part. Here you can see we have 1 pair side brushes here. So this side brush is used for the sweep function, and it has the anti-tangling function here. So let's move on this part. Here you can see we have a main brush here. The suction power of our robot is 2,500 pop. So let's move on the dustbin. The capacity of our dustbin is 800 millimeter, which is totally enough for you to clean the house. And also, our robot has the mop function. So this is our water tank here. The capacity of our water tank is 305 millimeter. So this is our new high-tech products. If you are interested in our robots, please contact us. This is Iris, and thank you for watching.